Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enable on-screen keyboard on HONOR MagicBook. There are two ways of doing that and I'm gonna show you both of them so you can choose the one that works best for you. The first one is by going to Settings, then Accessibility. Now you can go to Keyboard and here you can find the on-screen keyboard. You can enable it like that. So it'll be shown here. You can of course resize it. You can also go to its options and all of that. You can also minimize it and reopen it and close it as well. And if you have keyboard that works, then you can click on Windows, Ctrl and O on your keyboard and it'll open it without you going to settings. Then I'm gonna show you the second way, which is more modern and adjusted to touch displays. So if you have an external touch display or a graphics tablet, that may work better for you. Let's go to the personalization, then go to taskbar. Now you will find touch keyboard and set it to always. Now you will have this touch keyboard button. You can click on it and it will enable the keyboard. This is how it looks by default, but you can also click on this button right here to set it to small, which is floating and you can move it around. You can also set it to split, which is great for using with thumbs if you have an external touchscreen, because of course this laptop doesn't have a touchscreen, or traditional, which will have a few more keys that the default one doesn't have, but it still doesn't have as much as the on-screen keyboard, which has the most of the traditional keys from the keyboard. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.